Hi everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today I am doing unboxing of Redmi K30 Pro Zoom Edition. This is 8GB variant with 128GB storage. It costs 3799 yuan, which is near 540 US dollar. This is high res audio certified and the black color look really amazing. If you want to see the unboxing in Hindi, you can check my Hindi channel also. So let's open the box and see what's inside. This one also have a standard edition which start from 424 US dollars. So I will unbox it as soon as possible. So 6.67 inch super AMOLED panel with Samsung E3 material. On the top you will find 3.5mm audio jack with IR blaster and pop-up camera. The thickness of this phone is 9 nm. So it's a little thick phone. 218 grams, Type-C charging port, speaker, mic and SIM tray. I will show you the SIM tray later. Power on button with the red color and the volume keys on the right. The looks are really beautiful. They have a matte finish and I really like this. Oreo style camera, 4 camera, 64 megapixel with a flash, and it's really beautiful. The standard edition don't come with a matte finish. It's a glass one. They have an aluminum frame with Corning Gorilla 5th generation protection. Let me show you the SIM tray. So this one have dual nano SIM, no micro SD card, and the storage is 128 plus 256. I heard there will be 512 GB storage variant soon with 12 GB RAM. So let's see the phone. The bezels are very less. As a full screen phone, 92.7 screen to body ratio is very good. If you like pop-up camera phone and with full display, I think I will recommend you this phone. Let's see the setting. So you can clearly see this one is Redmi K30 Pro Zoom Edition here, and it come with Android 10. So latest version is provided. The RAM is only 8GB in this edition, but in standard edition you can also find 6GB of RAM. Snapdrgon 865, the dual 5G platform, which is really good. And the refresh rate of this phone is 60 Hz. Sampling rate is 180 Hz. Let's check the Antutu scores and see the performance. You can see the full display look really amazing. No notch, no punch hole. I really like this concept. A little heavy phone, like I said, 218 grams. But many people will prefer it because the price is really reasonable of Snapdragon 865. The standard edition, the Zoom edition, the main difference is the camera. Let's check the score of the Antutu. So it's near about 583,000, which is really good score of a flagship processor. CPU score, GPU score, and this phone use VC3435mm2, which is really good for a phone, and it will not overheat the phone when you play some heavy games or use more apps at the same time. So let's see the specification. Snapdragon 865 LPDDR5 UFS 3.1 Wi-Fi 6, Adrneo 650 1080 by 2400 screen resolution, 128GB storage in this variant, 8GB CPU core, and you will find refresh rate 60 Hz. It is little disappointed. Pixel density 395 ppi, density 440 ppi, spectra 480. And the camera I will tell you later. 4700 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charger is really amazing. This phone support many sensors and it also support NFC, which is really good. The global variant will be launched in the last week of April or first week of May. So let's wait when they will launch. So now let's check the TikTok and see the full display quality and the speaker sound, how it play. This phone supports linear motor, which sound quality is really good and awesome, but no stereo speaker. So now let's check the camera of this phone, which is really different from standard edition. You will get quad camera in Oreo style, which looks really beautiful. 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 support OIS, 13 megapixel ultra wide angle, 8 megapixel telephoto also support OIS, and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Front camera is a pop-up with 20x zoom. The main difference of standard and this one is this one have telephoto, and the standard edition have micro lens. I will do the unboxing of standard edition in 1 or 2 days. So 64 megapixel you can see, and this one have a 30x digital zoom, which is really good in this phone. I will do a difference of Mi 10 Pro and this one also maybe in 1 or 2 days. You will see the difference. I click some pictures, you can see, and I think it's really beautiful. It's not bad. And I will do a camera comparison with some phones, and we will see the real quality of this phone as soon as possible. So when we open the pop-up camera, there is a LED flash like Redmi K20 Pro, and it looked really beautiful. And the company said you can open the pop-up with 300,000 times, and it is really very good. So I think the phone is really good with this price and this specs, like Snapdragon 865, LPDDR5, UFS 3.1, Wi-Fi 6. So a flagship premium phone with 3.5mm audio jack and full display, 92.7 full display. I really prefer this phone. I will show you the standard edition. The main difference is camera, which I told before. So hope you liked today unboxing. If you want to ask me something about this phone, you can comment me. I will do a comparison of Mi 10 Pro and Mi 10 with Redmi K30 Pro Zoom Edition. So let's meet next time. Hope you like this video.